Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with another video. Today is Vintage Wednesday, once again for June 23rd, 2021.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for returning to Craving Crochet. And pretty much an exclusive crochet channel. This is my series. I don't know how long I'm going to keep doing this, but I'm getting quite a bit of interest. There's a group of people that really love vintage crochet, and I really enjoy the older patterns that are out there back from another era, back in the 40s, the 50s. Just some beautiful classic designs, and I just have such a collection and I wanted to share them with you. So this is my current project. I think this is my fourth one now. I keep reviewing it every time and I always forget. But anyways, the current one that we're working on, if people are here following me, I have notes all over this one. It's called the Breakfast Jacket. And it's pretty much worked in, it's like a 3-point type of design, and I'll show you how far I'm getting pretty good with the pattern. I think I'm doing it correctly. I just it's looking good. This is where I am so far. So it just looks like a triangle, 3 points, right? And then I believe we're supposed to, so this is going to be the back, but I believe it's going to be like this is the back, and then you turn it this way, and then we're going to flip. I'll show you 1 second. Let me just, so you flip. Oops. Oh no, I'm dropping this. We're gonna end up flipping it something like this. And that's how you make the jacket. You see? Isn't it pretty? It's such a simple pattern, really. And you make this gorgeous design, and then you put a beautiful border, so that'll be the back. But I'm not finished it yet, so I have, it's almost kind of like a shawl. But that's it so far. Isn't it lovely? I really like it, and I like the color too. Even though it's something I've never really worked with before, like such a bright yellow. I got inspired by my friend Sharita, Natural Way of Coty. She loves the color yellow, so I thought, let me do something yellow. It is such a beautiful, bright, and it's a color that makes you feel happy, right? Because it reminds you of the sun. But yeah, this is coming along really nice. So it's not really very difficult. So you're basically doing a double crochet row, and then you're making some puff stitches, and then you're just repeating that, and then you're adding increases. So you keep going until you make it the width, I guess, that is going to fit you properly. So it's gonna be gorgeous, and then you make a beautiful border. Let me just look at this again. And then you make a beautiful border. There's another illustration on the and it gives you the measurements and everything. So if you want this pattern, it's free. It's on my Craving Crochet Facebook group or on my Craving Crochet blog. If you go to Facebook, just look for Craving Crochet, type it in. I'll leave the link at the bottom, or you can also download it at cravingcrochet.com. So that's it. And I've actually, I thought it was going to be difficult. It looked kind of complicated, but it's not really very complicated at all. It's just making, like I said, a triangle or 3 points and increasing, which is not hard to do. And then it's going to be a flip and a flip. I don't know if there's any sewing involved. I haven't gotten that part far yet, but I still have to work it more because I need to make it bigger because it's not big enough yet. So that's where I am so far with the breakfast jacket, and I love it. It's a beautiful stitch. It's very lovely. I'm really pleased with it. I hope you try it out, and let me know if you have any problems with it. If you're trying it, it's pretty much, it's not that difficult. I honestly don't feel that it's very difficult. After doing that the crochet, this one, the crochet pebble pattern set for a baby girl, like I found the sleeves quite difficult, and I found this soaker, I don't know, I didn't enjoy doing this as much. I love doing the dress. I just struggled with the sleeves. Anyways, it's a cute pattern. Wasn't really crazy about the soaker. It was huge, and the booties kind of came out really big. So I'm doing this in, once again, just to review, I'm using the Patons Astra yarn, which is a light 3-weight yarn. And I'm using a 4mm hook, where the pattern, I believe it said to use a 5. And because I kind of tend to make things large, I decided just to go with the 4mm hook, like the yarn recommended. So that's where I'm at today. Thank you all so much for tuning in to Craving Crochet, and we'll be back for more videos. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you. If there's anything you wanted to leave, say to me or comment or anything, give me a like, because that helps put this video out into YouTube, because there's gazillions of videos out there, crochet videos. And it just helps get my face out there. If you enjoy my channel, I would appreciate you doing that. I really appreciate it. So like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.